In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chat text size in Cursor. If you ever find yourself squinting at messages or wishing you could fit more conversation on the screen, adjusting the chat text size can make a big difference. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what each option does, so you can pick the size that feels right for your eyes and your workflow. Start by opening the Cursor app and looking to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon, the Settings button. Click that to open the Settings panel. This is where all your customization lives, and we'll head straight to the area that controls the chat experience. On the left side of the Settings panel, you'll see a list of categories. Find the section labeled Chat and click it. This moves you into the dedicated controls for conversations, including the one we want today. Inside the chat settings, look for the option called Text Size. This setting lets you control how large or small the chat messages appear. Click on the drop-down next to Text Size and you'll see the available options: Default, Small, Large, and Extra Large. Here's how to decide. Default is the standard look, balanced and familiar. Great if you're comfortable with the current size but want a quick way to revert later. Small reduces the font a bit so you can see more messages at once, which can be handy on smaller screens or when you're reviewing a long thread. Large bumps up readability for relaxed viewing without feeling oversized. Extra large is best if you prefer maximum clarity, are presenting on a screen, or simply want less strain on your eyes. Choose your preferred size by clicking on it, and you'll notice the change right away. There's no need to restart anything. The chat area updates instantly to the new size. If you want to compare, switch between sizes a couple of times and pick the one that feels most comfortable. You can always come back here and adjust again as your needs change. A quick tip: this adjustment is focused on the chat interface, helping messages stand out clearly. If you ever feel like things look crowded or too spaced out, try stepping up or down one level and see how it affects your overall flow. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Chat, find Text Size, choose the level that suits you, and enjoy a more comfortable chat experience in Cursor. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.